Hi guys, welcome back to TheBlock.Talks at TechTuesdays. I have with me Mr. Matthias Mende, founder and CEO of Bonuz. Thank you for being here.
Thank you so much for having me.
Of course. So let's get started. Why don't you just tell me a little bit about yourself and Bonuz and what you guys are building?
Sure. My name is Matthias Mende, as you guys heard. I'm the creator, founder, and CEO of Bonuz. We are building a social wallet, but it's actually an entire ecosystem, just that the wallet, it's like the base fundament. So it's a self-custodial wallet that gives people also a digital identity that can aggregate all social media accounts.
Okay.
So basically it's a wallet, but it has social superpowers.
Yeah.
And to very easy explain it in one sample is, imagine you go to a restaurant, you check in by scanning a QR code. Now you will receive a quest to take a story of your food. And then, if you did it, you will receive a maybe 10% or 30% discount voucher because you posted the story and tagged the restaurant and added value to them. So basically, it's like this type of concept.
That's really cool. So are you also building your own social media platform or are you integrating into the existing ones?
We do not compete, we complete.
Yes.
So yes, we integrate in all of them, and we integrated all the major ones into our social graph, into this social protocol, which is not limited only to socials.
Yeah.
But we like to give the users better experiences in the long term, because sometimes we play PlayStation.
Yes.
Now, not everybody will say, oh, I play PlayStation, I play Fortnite, but people know they are on Instagram. So we might be friends on Instagram, but imagine if you have a PlayStation account and it's also in your social graph.
All in one.
So now I know, oh, she also plays this PlayStation game. We can play it together.
Yeah.
But before, I would never know.
Yeah.
So these types of functionalities coming from the social graph, which we also call a social oracle.
Okay.
We're preparing people for the future with glasses, smart glasses. So when they log in, they see, oh, these are my friends. And they can do the quests like Pokemon Go.
Okay.
But again, currently, we are a social wallet, the world's most user-friendly self-custodial wallet for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and swaps, fiat on-ramp, everything works. It took 4 years to build, and we are live.
That's very interesting. I think being user-friendly is so important, especially for self-custodial wallets. I feel like the existing ones is so difficult for people who are not crypto native to start using. What inspired you to build this?
The complications and the problems which came on the way. As you very correctly said, the self-custodial wallets, they are hard to use, and mainly that's because of the login of the first sign-up. Because users get a private key or a seed phrase, they have to write it down somewhere, they have to screenshot it somewhere. Maybe their cloud gets stolen, maybe they get hacked in some other ways, and then they will hate the entire Web3 field by silly little mistakes. But with our wallet, basically it's just sign in with Apple or sign in with Google or sign in with email address and receive OTP.
Okay, that's interesting.
It's very easy.
I saw that MetaMask, is it, did the similar thing?
New,
that? Recently,
So I can tell you the story for this.
Yes, please.
The company which MetaMask purchased, it's called Web3Out.
Okay.
Web3Out is the login provider which we've been using for the last 3 years.
Wow.
After I talked with the founder of Consensus, Joseph Lubin, and he liked our product last year, December, in Bangkok at DEF CON, and we talked with the team after, because there was a deal to come, because we are a competitor, just that we are that tiny, and MetaMask is like this, and we are like this. So we were hoping that we can somehow do business, but it did not work out. But as smart and intelligent business people are, they just bought our login provider.
Interesting.
So now technically every user on Bonuz is also like a MetaMask user, but they did a good move because it will help them also to grow. It will prevent so many things, so many things. But from a UX standpoint, it's still a UI standpoint, it will be still harder to compete from them because they are very crypto native,
Yeah.
and we are very life oriented.
Yeah.
With vouchers, memberships, access passes, tickets, it's all built. So it might be hard to change this,
Yeah.
but hey, 10%, if you see this, Joseph, 10% you can still buy from Bonuz. I'll give it to you, and we grow together stronger and better.
Perfect. Thank you so much for being here.
Thanks.
Very interesting product. Very excited to see how it develops.
Thanks. Thank you so much. Honor to be here. And guys, download Bonuz today, not tomorrow, because everyone will need to have a wallet at some day. So take the easy one.
Perfect. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.